Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. Today in our lecture, we learn about how to find break-even point analytically. Of the subject estimating, costing and contracting, subject code 3351905 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So start with how to calculation of break-even point analytically. First, we have draw a figure on which x-axis represent quantity, y-axis represent production cost. A line parallel to x-axis represent fixed cost, and from a fixed point, a line inclined to x-axis represent variable cost, and line passing through the origin to the end represent sales income line. The intersecting point between sales income line and variable cost known as break-even point, and the quantity at break-even point known as break-even quantity Q, and the quantity at the end of the process known as Q1. Here we also represent a total cost line. Total cost line represent fixed cost plus variable cost. So for find out break-even point analytically, what we require? First we require break-even quantity or quantity at break-even point. Q1 required quantity of the plant. F fixed cost. A variable cost per unit. A cost consumed for manufacturing a product or one unit known as variable cost per unit. V total variable cost. P selling cost per unit for selling one product. Cost consumed known as selling cost per unit. CT total production cost. Capital S total sales income or sales revenue. So starting with total production cost, CT equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So CT equal to F fixed cost denoted by F and the variable cost denoted by V. So the equation becomes CT is equal to F plus AQ, where A equal to variable price per unit and Q is the break-even quantity. By multiplying both of them, we find total variable cost. Now, the second one is total sales income. P is the selling price per unit and the Q is the break-even quantity. By multiplying both of them, we find total sales income. So next, what is the condition at break-even point? So the condition at break-even point, company neither goes in profit nor in loss. So total production cost equal to total sales income. So what is the equation of total production cost? F plus AQ, and total sales income equal to BQ. Now move the total variable cost toward right side. So F equal to BQ minus AQ. Here quantity is the common factor, so carried out separately. So what the equation become? F equal to Q into the bracket B minus A. So Q equal to F divided by B minus A equal to break-even quantity. This is the equation for find out break-even quantity analytically. Okay, we have to understand it with one example. Fixed cost in a factory is rupees 10,000 per year. The variable cost is rupees 2 per unit, and selling price is rupees 4 per unit. Calculate break-even point, or in other word, break-even quantity. So start with solution. What we have, it represented by given data. First we have fixed cost equal to 10,000 rupees. Variable cost A rupees 2 per unit. Selling price B rupees 4 per unit. And what we have to find out, break even quantity Q. What is the equation of break even quantity? We have break even quantity Q equal to F divided by B minus A. So what is the value of F? 10,000 rupees. And what is the value of B minus A? 4 minus 2. So the equation become 10,000 divided by 2. So the break even quantity Q equal to 5,000 unit. Okay, let's take another example. Fixed cost of an industry is rupees 50,000 and its production capacity is 1,000 unit per month. If each product is sold at rupees 600, variable cost per product is rupees 350. Calculate break-even point. So starting with solution, what we have, write in given data. First we have fixed cost F equal to 50,000 rupees. Selling price B is equal to rupees 600 per product, and variable cost A equal to rupees 350 per product. And what we have to find out, break even quantity Q. What is the equation of break even quantity? We have break even quantity Q equal to F divided by B minus A. What is the value of F? 50,000. What is the value of B minus A? 600 minus 350. So what is the equation we have? 50,000 divided by 250. So what is the value of break-even quantity Q? So break-even quantity Q equal to 200 unit. So with this method and with this equation, we find out the break-even quantity analytically. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.